Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making muffins from a yellow cake mix in the air fryer. So for this we need a yellow cake mix. I'm not going to use the whole box, I'm just going to use 1/4 cup of the mix. We also need vegetable oil, water, egg, and we need silicone muffin baking cups that fit inside the air fryer. So first I'm going to put the muffin cups in the air fryer. So there's 6 of them. And I'm also going to spray them with a non-stick cooking spray so the muffins don't stick to them. And I'll set it aside. And now I'm going to whisk 1 egg. And I will add 1/4 cup of water. It's already been pre-measured. And 1 tablespoon of oil. And 1 1/4 cup of the yellow cake mix. And now I will mix it until combined. And now, once it's mixed, I'm going to transfer the batter into the muffin cups. So just divide it evenly, the best you can. And now the air fryer muffins are ready for baking. So I'm going to put the basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 20 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the muffins. Look at those muffins, so nicely browned, and they've gotten so much bigger and taller. Perfectly cooked, they look amazing. Let me take them out of the air fryer. I'm so excited about trying these muffins. Let me just take one out so you can see it's perfectly cooked inside. And I can cut it. Perfectly cooked. It looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying this muffin. Delicious. You're going to love these air fryer muffins from a cake mix. For a free printable recipe and other easier air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!